Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at the HolyStone HS600, a drone that promises to deliver both performance and value for beginner to intermediate drone enthusiasts. So, let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype. The HolyStone HS600 comes in a premium, well-designed carrying case that's surprisingly better than what you'd find with many more expensive drones on the market. Unlike typical flimsy boxes, this sturdy case provides superior protection for your drone and accessories, keeping everything secure and organized. It's compact, durable, and features custom foam cutouts for the drone, controller, batteries, and spare parts, making it ideal for storage and travel. Whether you're heading to the park or traveling long distances, this case ensures your drone stays safe and ready for action. The HolyStone HS600 drone comes with two USB-C cables for convenient charging, ensuring you can easily power up your drone whenever needed. It also includes 4 extra propellers, so you're always prepared for replacements in case of damage. Plus, the manual instruction book provides clear, step-by-step guidance to help you get the most out of your drone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot. The HolyStone HS600 drone comes with 2 batteries, giving you extended flight time of up to 50 minutes in total. This means more time to capture stunning aerial shots and enjoy smooth, uninterrupted flying. It's a great bonus for those who want to keep flying without waiting for a recharge. Now, let's talk about the controller. It's simple, easy to hold, and not overloaded with buttons. The layout is intuitive, with a built-in screen that gives you real-time flight data, such as battery life, altitude, and GPS signal. The controls are responsive, and for those new to drones, the automatic takeoff and landing features make it even easier to fly. Let's talk about the design. The HS600 has a sleek, modern look, with a matte black finish and sturdy build quality. It feels solid, and the propellers are well protected by the frame. It's not too bulky, which makes it portable enough to take on outdoor adventures. When it comes to performance, the HolyStone HS600 shines. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera, the footage is crisp and clear, which is perfect for those looking to capture stunning aerial shots. The camera is mounted on a 90-degree adjustable gimbal, giving you smooth, stable footage even in windy conditions. It also comes with GPS-assisted flight, which means you get reliable positioning and the added benefit of return to home, a safety feature that ensures your drone will return to its starting point if the signal is lost or if the battery is running low. Speaking of battery life, the HS600 offers around 20 to 25 minutes of flight time on a single charge, depending on weather conditions and how hard you push it. While it's not the longest-lasting battery in the market, it's decent for the price range. The HS600 comes with some fun flight modes too. There's Follow Me, which tracks and follows you as you move, and Waypoints, where you can plot a flight path for the drone to follow. These modes add an extra layer of versatility, especially for those looking to get more creative with their shots. Another thing I love is the portability. The HS600 folds up nicely, making it easy to store and carry around. It comes with a handy carrying case, so whether you're going for a hike or just heading to the park, your drone is safe and ready to go. All in all, the HolyStone HS600 is a fantastic drone for anyone looking for a budget-friendly option with solid performance. With its 4K camera, GPS features, and decent battery life, it offers great value for both beginners and more experienced drone pilots. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or just having fun flying, this drone is definitely worth considering. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. The HolyStone HS600 drone, originally £399, is now available for just £219. Link in the description below. Thanks for watching our review of the HolyStone HS600. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions or thoughts down below. See you in the next one.